Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create Snapchat public profile. What you need to do, first just go to Snapchat app and then just click on your profile icon on the top left. After that, click on the setting icon on the top right, and then just scroll down until you see here who can contact me, view my stories, see my location. Who can contact me? Here, my friend. Just select everyone and then go back. Send me notification, everyone. View my story, my friends. Just click here and just select everyone. This is what you need to do if you want to make Snapchat public profile. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.